We are just outside of Lava Beds National Monument. Just kind of hanging around our campsite. Jake built us this really nice campfire. It's small now, but that's because we're gonna roast bagels on it. But it was really roaring this morning. He's making coffee over here. That's very nice. And we're gonna have a good day today. Bagels. We had bagels and fresh coffee for breakfast, and it's very nice. We're here at Lava Beds, and we are about to go explore some caves.
We're in Mushpot Cave right now. It's a lava tube cave, so this was all lava at one point, and then eventually the lava inside here just kind of like flowed away somewhere else, and it left this like pipe. And these are, what were these called again, dear?
Lavasicles.
Lavasicles. Kind of looks like melted chocolate, like dark chocolate. It's pretty cool. We were just in Mushpot Cave. It was pretty sweet. It's amazing. We've been in 4 caves now on this trip, and none of them look the same as the other ones. I'm just looking at, looks like there's maybe a prescribed burn over there.
Hi. We're having lunch and
Yep.
making a game plan.
A couple of big old sandwiches there. There's no hams here, but we do have this pub beer, cheap fun. So we're gonna give it a shot.
Yep.
Bit like Ham's Light.
Yeah. Yeah. It would be cheap fun.
It's not bad. I like it.
Yeah, I don't think it's too bad either. It's not something our parents would like, I don't think.
No, I'd buy it again.
Yeah. It's from Bend, Oregon. If anybody's wondering.
Sliding into Skull Cave now. $19.20.
This is so cool.
Yeah. So this cave is pretty cool. There's ice at the bottom. We'll maybe see. It's a big pool. And this cave is big enough that all the hot air rises to the top and out of the cave. And the cold air gets trapped in the bottom. So that's why you get ice at the bottom of it. It's called Skull Cave because there were 2 human bodies and several bighorn sheep skeletons found in here back in the day.
Look at this cool lava formation. It's the ropey lava.
Ropey lava? I think that's what they called it, yeah.
Yeah. This is kind of scary.
We've come a little ways into the cave. Now we're going down these deep steps. So it's pretty tough to see here, but that dark spot at the bottom, right there, that's the ice floor. There's a gate here. We're not allowed to go on it because over the years, dust from people walking on the ice collected. And before, when you could walk on it, and before it got dusty, you could see several feet deep into the ice. So now to preserve that, we've got this gate. But it's pretty cool to see.
It is very quiet down here.
Yeah, and very dark. And kind of scary. It's like kind of eerie coming down into a cave by yourself without a ranger.
Yeah. But very cool.
Yeah.
Like worth the scariness, I think.
Meteor that killed the dinosaurs.
It doesn't exist, babe.
What?
It doesn't.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I thought there's like a big crater from a meteor that they think is the one that killed the dinosaurs.
I don't know. We'll have to Google.
I'm pretty sure there's one out in this part of the country.
There's a big one, I think, in it looks so small. Wave at me. I am in a big cave right now. And I don't know where Jake is. He's outside on the surface. But I'm looking for pictographs or drawings made by ancient people. We saw some in the other cave, but we haven't seen any in this cave yet. But it's huge. I'm standing, you see the entrance behind me. So I'm standing down in it. And it's hard to see behind me here, but it's like a bottomless pit. But it's pretty cool. Here you can see some pictographs. These ones are pretty clear. Looks like we've got a tree. It honestly kind of looks like you have a dead tree, a tree that's like, I don't know, half alive, and then a full-blown, like, thriving tree. This could be talking about after a fire or something like that. Who knows? Pretty cool though. There's some down here too, you can see. Some of it's really hard to make out. It won't show up on my camera. Some of it is more modern, like this one. I'll show you this. So this looks like it was done by the guy who discovered the caves. He would leave notes for himself on the outside of the cave of what he named it and if there's anything important to remember about the cave. So like there was one he had marked ice and how far in it went. This one is just the name of the cave. There's some more pictographs. In here.
I don't know if I can see them in the video or not. Kind of just pointing and shooting and can't see in the sun, but there's deer there. Probably 15 of them. Probably 100 feet away from us. Like I've never seen deer in my life.
You never seen a mule deer like that, I bet.
I have though.
You can see their butts running away. Yep. Deer.